Hey, you two scrappers out in the garage. Got the stripper from the basement. Got my stool. This stool is one I had as a child growing up. They were gonna throw it out at my mom's place when they're cleaning it out. And I'm like, nope. I'm gonna take that, thank you. It's a little wobbly, but still works. So I've had this stripmaster for probably 2 years, give or take. And this drill I found in the garbage on large garbage day one day. See if I got it set right. Needs a hair more turning. And then there's some nice copper wire. I find if you go too fast, the wire will slip off the knife and jam up. So you want to find that perfect speed. All the casings I can throw right into my shred. So I finish up this pail. So I got my regular copper wire going on here, and Bear Bright over here, and number one. If they're taking number one, should be able to. It's about the size of a pencil lead. So yeah, anyway, just here. Going through all this wire. Hope everybody's been having a good week so far. It's only Tuesday. Then I just cut a little bit off the end. And that way I can just pull it. It's a little cool and damp this morning. You usually can tell if it's going to be number one or not by the way it bends. If it's easy to bend up, it goes right into number 2. Unless it's nice and shiny, then I put it in the Bear Bright. Let's try the other end. Yeah, and I just do it slow so it doesn't kick off. I know a lot of you guys have done wire stripping videos, so I thought maybe I'll try my hand at it and see if see how many pickups I have this week. Last night I went to a neighbor's place and picked up a barbecue, an old barbecue. That's smaller. I gotta make it go tighter. A little deep. Yeah. If you go over to Bush Dog's site, his channel, he does some of this wire stripping old school with a knife, and it's pretty neat. I've tried it that way and I can't do it. I don't know. He does it pretty slick. So go over to his channel and check out his videos. Drink a coffee. Nice warm coffee. This feels like number one. Let's do a couple more here. Well, there you see what I was up to. I'm not gonna bore you. Just a small video showing you what I'm doing. Hopefully the weather gets a little bit better so it's easier to sit out here. Alright, like, subscribe, share. See you later, everybody. Alright, let's see if I can get this. A little close up. Hello, everybody. Yeah, there's my stool again. So, oh yeah, I was going to show you that strippable wire right there. And then we've got a big strippable wire here. A big tote of it here that I'm going to go through and strip through. And then back in here, this is all strippable wire clear down to the floor. Beside it, there's more wire in there too. So I gotta start getting some of that up and get it processed, because if copper decides to take it out here, I'll have some done. Some little bit of copper I've taken out of transformers, my brass. So I got this at the auction for $1. It's all brass. It's from China. It's really heavy. So it's all non-magnetic, even the pin, non-magnetic, and then myself one-handed. Just a second. There it is. And you can see that in my light it's yeller. That's a good piece of brass. And try to take that felt off there, but I'll just throw it in there for now. My number one bucket. Number one bucket. I got some more boards going. Yeah, that's what I'm doing on Tuesday morning. Anyway, I gotta sit back down, watch some YouTube videos while I strip wire. Alright. Strip miser. Like, subscribe, share. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching, everybody.